Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the second half of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so we have the Chariot, the Strength, and the Hangman, the Two of Cups, wow, the Sun, the Nine of Swords, the Seven of Cups, the Six of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from this deck for Taurians. Okay, we have the Queen of Spades, guidance from the angels for Taurians. Okay, guardian of emotion. So Taurians, there has been a lot of action. Things have been moving pretty fast, a lot of action. Perhaps you were working very hard, whatever it was, but there has been a situation in which required a lot of action, and you went through it with all your zeal, with all your passion, and with all the strength. Okay, but the thing is that this situation is sort of stuck. It started very fast and now it's stuck. Okay, though you have it invested in it a lot and you are dealing with this situation, what I feel here is with the Strength and the Hangman, it is a situation in which you have worked very hard, which it has sort of you have put in all your energy into it, whatever the situation was, and it has sort of, you have determined to get it, and you have used a lot of patience to deal with this situation, whatever this was in your life, but somehow now this situation is on hold. Okay, whatever the situation is, and it is being followed by the Two of Cups and the Sun card and the Nine of Swords. So perhaps when during this time when this situation was on hold, perhaps you have taken that time to view this situation in a clearer, with a clearer perspective, try to have another point of view for whatever this thing was, because if it is a relationship with the Two of Cups, perhaps this situation, this relationship was on hold for some reason, and now you have tried to mend it after having a different perspective on the situation or the other person's perspective perhaps, and you have moved into a relationship, or you have sort of, there is some sort of a commitment over here perhaps, or even if it is not a commitment, then at least there is a relationship over here. Okay, by moved in, I don't mean to say that you have moved into the relationship with that person or you're staying with that person. I'm just trying to say that you are there in a relationship. Okay, and it is a beautiful relationship which is giving you a lot of happiness also. But it was stuck for some time over here. So though you have tried to make it happen once again, that's what I feel, and move ahead in in this situation, there is a time in which has given you a lot of happiness, but still again with the Nine of Swords, you are still anxious in this situation. There is something which is causing you a lot of anxiety. So perhaps whatever the issues were over here with the Hangman, when you had put the things on hold, or when the other person had put them on hold, whatever it was, when the things were on hold and they were not moving fast, or they were not moving forward as it had started off, okay, and you were dealing with this situation with a lot of strength, okay, so maybe this relationship, though it started off beautifully, it was taking some sort of a toll on you. There was, whatever this situation, it can be a partnership, it can be a friendship, not necessarily a romantic relationship, it can be anything, but yes, it is talking about two people who are emotional about each other, okay. Gender also is not so important over here, okay. But this thing, there has definitely been something regarding this connection, I would like to call it, rather than a relationship. It's regarding this connection, there was definitely something, though it started off very beautifully and picked up the pace, but there was something which was taxing you in some way, shape or form, and you, maybe you willfully took the time out, or you sort of put it on hold, or the circumstances were such that you thought of things were not moving forward basically, and it was taking a toll on you, and it was sort of taxing you to an extent, it was taxing your patience to some extent, okay. But then you did made it up, you made up and you were happy. But I think there is again something coming up which is causing you anxiety, and this is something which was, I think, happening here also, though at one instance you did make it happen, but again there's something which is troubling you over here. And with the Seven of Cups here, there is a lot of confusion. With the Nine of Swords, there is a lot of anxiety, there is a lot of confusion. Now this confusion can be as to what to do of this relationship, because maybe even if you have given it another chance, yeah, you have given it another chance, but still things are not working out. I think there is definitely something which is bothering you in this connection, whatever this connection is, and you are confused as to what to do, and finally you just decide to move away. You choose peace over it. You are leaving this anxiety, you're choosing peace and walking away from whatever this connection is. And what I feel here is, you are walking away from this tense situation towards something else which is going to give you happiness. Now you want to invest your emotions in something else basically, rather than this, whatever this thing was. So you're leaving this connection because there is something which is already taxing you since the beginning, and you decide to move away from this. You just sort out this confusion by moving away from it, and you want to move towards something or someone else which is more emotionally fulfilling to you. And here with the Queen of Spades over here, yeah, this is all about your intelligence. This is wisdom. This is your strategy. That is strategy, not in the bad way. So basically, it is the clarity which you've got in this situation, and wisely you are using it to your own benefit, sort of benefit for your mental peace, basically. And here the guidance from the angels is guardian of emotion. This situation requires emotional maturity and total trust. You are surrounded by those who only have the best of intentions, so you can rely on the advice you are given. Challenges will be resolved. This card also indicates a generous humanitarian and a refined person whom you can completely depend on. This could be a reference to the characteristics within yourself. So whatever this situation is which you are dealing with, this situation requires a lot of emotional maturity, and that is what perhaps you have, that maturity, and you have that willpower to understand that this is not going to work out and it's better to walk away from the situation, and you have that guts to do so, and that maturity to understand that okay, though you have given it one chance, but it is just not going to work out, so it's better to leave this situation and move away towards something which is more emotionally fulfilling for you. So Taurians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.